Some people just don't like other people just because like the way they look.
Because of like my anxiety issues, I feel like it's very difficult and I notice things very easily. So if someone is looking at me, I will start to panic.
I still have a lot of problems at school. I'm bullied quite a lot because I don't fit in.
I used to get bullied quite a lot, but then I thought, it's just me. Why is everyone doing it to me?
I've got like this massive problem about like worry. I worry so much.
What makes me unhappy is what people think of me.
Before I was hiding behind, like I did my hair like other people did.
If I don't wear makeup, I get judged for it and told that I look ill, or it just really puts my self-esteem down. I don't like doing my makeup every day. I wake up at 6 every morning to do it.
I've always tried my best to fit in, but I was never really good at making friends.
Sometimes I can just switch off and it can affect my work massively.
I've stopped thinking about what other people care about me. I'm stopped changing to please other people.
It wasn't that good, but now it's got better since I've came here. I've been getting less behaviour points and I've not getting in trouble as much.
Don't try to think like, oh, you can't do it. Try to think more of like, I can do it, I will do it. And look at me, I've done it.
I think it's improved with my positivity because I'm a lot more comfortable with things and I know how to act on certain situations.
It's helping to like talk to people and learn that not everyone is out to get you, and like there are actually people that care.
It's really quite fun to be out of school and to be in an environment where it is safe, because in school you can't really express yourself as much as you can in here, even silently. So it's really fun, I really like it.